Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport D200 R-Dynamic HSE. This Discovery features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the absolutely wonderful Santorini black. Let's begin our journey at the front of the Discovery as we see the LED headlights and the signature daytime running lights, which ensures increased road presence and a sharper view of the world ahead. Cascading down the side, we see features complimentary of the black exterior pack as it sits on these 20-inch gloss black alloys. Coming to the rear, you'll see your rear LED tail lights, and as we open the powered tailgate, you'll be greeted with a versatile amount of boot space. Looking to the right, you will see easy-to-access controls to deploy your third set of seats, complimentary of the third row pack. You'll further be able to see your USB ports for those compatible devices. Moving to the rear of this Discovery, you'll see your ebony Windsor leather seats and Mars red stitching. And glimpsing into the cockpit, you will be greeted with your 14-way heated electric seats with driver memory, which will ensure every journey is as comfortable as the last. Now as we take a close look at your steering wheel, which features a sleek design and has a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll find your digital display, which can be tailored to the driver's individual preferences. Moving over to your large and rather beautiful integrated infotainment system, which is a real centrepiece to this Discovery's interior. As you can see, it's fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and provide a great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your rear camera and parking sensors will ensure parking this large SUV is like second nature. You'll also be able to access your heated seat functions alongside your climate control, which will ensure optimal comfort for driver and passengers at any time. Further features can also be accessed as we look down. Passenger and driver can further access their own climate control systems, as well as further driving dynamics, which can be figured to each terrain setting. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see easy to access controls for your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross both occupants and passengers with natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport R-Dynamic HSE, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Many thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it.